Got a late start. Really, honestly, this rain's helping it cool off the day, really. Hopefully get these trout woken up.
Well, I woke up this morning, it was drizzling rain. Round the curve come a passenger train. I heard somebody yodel and a hobo moan. But Jimmy, he's dead, he's been a long time gone, been a long time
Yes,
gone. Been a long time gone. You wanna get to heaven, got a D.I.E. You gotta put on your coat and T.I.E. You wanna get the rabbit out the L.O.G. You gotta make a commotion like a D.O.G. Like a D.O.G.